So exercise 2B, we were constructing rhombus. Third, we have to construct. First two we have constructed rhombus. First two we have constructed. Third one we have to start with. Second not constructed yet.
Sir, your video is not clear.
It will be clear soon.
Sir, I have doubt in first, fourth question.
First, fourth question. Okay, I will discuss after. Yes, this question have you gone through the video? It has been solved. Last video I have uploaded. Just go through it once. If you have, let me know. Okay. The video has
Sir,
been
it is
Sir,
not
uploaded.
reading.
Yes. Now second, third. Text me on WhatsApp afterwards to discuss that. Yeah, second, third we have to start. Second we are already
Sir,
done.
second.
Second we are starting with. Yes, we fine now. And look front everyone.
Can you tell
Second we are starting with AB and AC are given. AB equal to 4.7 centimeters. AC equal to 6.7. AB AB 4.7 centimeters. AC 6.2 centimeters. These are the dimensions given. We have to construct a rhombus. A rhombus is to be constructed. So a side is given and a diagonal is given. So how we are going to construct? First we'll be making the side. So draw a line of 4.7 centimeters. Everyone draw a line of 4.7 centimeters. Draw a line of 4.7 centimeters. Everyone start drawing. Since one side is given 4.7 centimeters, it means rest of the three sides as well will be 4.7 centimeters. So first we'll be drawing a 4.7 centimeters line. AB it is of length of 4.7 centimeters. This is clear? Now see here. A, B, C, D. AB is 4.7 centimeters. AC is how much? 6.2 centimeters. How to first? So we can first construct C part. We can first construct vertex C. How to do vertex C? How far it is from A? 6.2 centimeters. And how far it is from B? It is not given. But because of properties of rhombus, we can say that BC will be equal to AB. All the four sides are equal in rhombus. So it will be how much? 4.7 centimeters. So we can construct C now. C is how far from A? 6.2. And from B it is 4.7 centimeters. So take radius of, okay, first you are taking 4.7. So from B, 4.7 it is far from C. So take 4.7 radius in your compass. Take 4.7 as radius in your compass. Aren't you drawing? Forgotten the scale. Okay. So AB we already drawn. Now C is how far from it is as well 4.7. So make an arc of 4.7. Make an arc of 4.7. Now every point on this arc is 4.7 centimeters away from B. And we have to find C on this arc such that it is how far from A? 6.2 centimeters. So take 6.2 centimeters radius in your compass. And from A, okay, for example, it is here. Make an arc. From A, make an arc. Cutting the earlier arc. Wherever they meet, wherever these two arcs meet, you will get the C vertex. So C is how far from B? 4.7. How far from A? 6.2 centimeters. So join
6.2
them.
centimeters.
6.2. Join them. This is 6.2 centimeters. We have got vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. 3 vertices we have already got. Fourth we have to draw. D. D is how far from C? D is how far from C? 4.7. And how far from A? 4.7. So take 4.7 centimeters in your compass. Take 4.7 centimeters in your compass. From A, make an arc. From C, make another arc. And wherever these two arcs meet is the D vertex. We got D. Now join them. So we have drawn a rhombus. Clear? Start doing the next one. Nisha, look front. Yeah, second last bench. Look front. In third, AC and BD are given. What are they? Are they sides or the diagonals? So both diagonals are given. AC and BD. So AC is how much? 6 centimeters. So diagonals in rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals in rhombus bisect each other, and at what angle they do meet? 90 degree. So other diagonal will be at 90 degree and 2 centimeters in length. So from diagonals we can draw. So first what we'll be making? First we'll be drawing 6 centimeter line. And so 3 centimeters this side, 3 centimeters this side, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. So how we are going to construct? So first we have to make a line of 6 centimeters. In your notebook, you must have space here as well here. On top as well at bottom, you must have the space. Draw a line of 6 centimeters. Draw a line of 6 centimeters. So what are the endpoints? A, C. The endpoints are A and C. A, C you got. This is 6 centimeters. Now, other diagonal will pass through the midpoint of. So we have to find the midpoint of this diagonal. Bisect the line. Using your compass, can you bisect? Then bisect it. From C, take some radius first. It must be way more than half of the line AC. You can take, it depends. These two arcs must cut. So on top as well as bottom of this line, we have to make the arcs. as well here, above and below as well. Make the arc. From C, make an arc on both sides. From A, make an arc on both sides, cutting the earlier arcs. If this is your line, at least you must have more than half of this line. Any length you can take. They can meet way beyond. Now, join these lines. They are perpendicular to each other as well. They are perpendicular to each other as well. These two lines. We have drawn perpendicular bisector. These are perpendicular to each other as well. We do not require to make an angle of 90 degree here. So AC diagonal we got, and other diagonal we can take from this line. How much it is? 4 centimeters. That means from this midpoint, how far? 2 centimeters. So
2
2
centimeters.
centimeter length in your compass. Take 2 centimeters length in your compass. That is the radius in your compass. Take 2 centimeters, and from this midpoint, the point where both the diagonals meet, draw arc on both sides. And wherever these arcs cut, this will be our which point? A, B, C, D. These are the vertices. We got all the vertices. Then join them. Join them all. So A and B, join A and B. B and C. So we have drawn rhombus ABCD, where AC is how much? 6 centimeters. This is how much? 4 centimeters. So first we have drawn a diagonal AC. We bisected it. So we have drawn a perpendicular bisector as well. It is perpendicular bisector. So our other diagonal will be on this line. How far from the midpoint? 2 centimeters on this side, on both sides. Any doubt you have? Raise your hand. Any doubt? Anyone? Yes, Vedant. Then stay quiet. You have got all the vertices. Join them. Rhombus. Everyone have drawn.
Yes.
Now we have to construct squares. We have to construct square. So in a square, if one side is given, we can construct a square. So first, let's discuss some properties of square. What are the properties? All the sides in square are equal. So four sides. How many sides we have in square? 4 sides. All are equal in length. So if AB is 4 centimeters, BC will be how much? All the sides will be 4 centimeters. They are equal. And the angles 90 degree. All the 4 angles are 90 degree. So opposite sides are equal and parallel as well. Angles, all the angles are 90 degree. Diagonals are equal or not? In square and rectangle, diagonals are equal. So diagonals are equal. Even if one diagonal is given, we can construct the whole square. So diagonals are equal and diagonals meet at 90 degree. In which other figure does they meet at 90 degree? Rectangle they don't meet. Rhombus. In
Rhombus.
rhombus and square, diagonals meet at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other and diagonals bisect the angles as well in square and rhombus. In rhombus and square, diagonals meet at 90 degree and diagonals bisect the angles as well in rhombus and square. Okay, then construct square of 5 centimeters length, side length. Construct a square ABCD in which each side is 5 centimeters. Stand from there, take this side. Hidansh, move it. Move fast. So, first draw a line of 5 centimeters. Drawn A, B, 5 centimeters. Then, how to proceed further? Which point we should prefer? Okay, we start with B. Construct an angle of 90 degree at vertex B. Construct an angle of 90 degree. So see here, always take it of good length. It is of 5 centimeters. At least take more than 2 centimeters. Don't take it 1 centimeter and draw small. Take at least 2 centimeters, more than 2 centimeters. 3 centimeters as well you can take. No issues with that even. So take good length. More bigger the arcs you made, more accurate you will be getting. Construct 90 degree. You want to move there. Leave it there. You won't require back. Now 90 degrees is 60 plus 30 degrees. 60 we have drawn. Another 60 we have drawn. Bisect the second 60 degree angle. And we got 90 degree. Drawn. So now where the C will lie. So take an arc, take radius of 5 centimeters. And here will be the C. Okay. Now how to proceed further?
Cut an arc of 5 centimeters. Cut an arc of 5
See
centimeters.
here. How far D is from A? How far from C? So, same radius 5 centimeters you take. From A, make one arc. From C as well, cutting the earlier arcs. We got D. Again I tell how to get D. D is how far from A? 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters.
How far from C? 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters.
So from A, make an arc of 5 centimeters. So D will be lying somewhere on this arc. From C as well, make another arc, cutting the earlier arc. So that point will be 5 centimeters from A, 5 centimeters from C. Yes. Now join them.
They're joined.
So we have drawn ABCD square ABCD. Look front. Nisha, look front. Now second one. Here the diagonal is given. Diagonal AC equal to 9 centimeters. Diagonal AC equal to 9 centimeters. So what properties we can use? Both the diagonals are equal and diagonals meet at 90 degree. So how we are going to proceed? First, draw a line of 9 centimeters. Space must be left on above as well as below the line. Space must be above the line as well below the line because we are drawing a diagonal. Diagonal ABC. So draw the diagonal AC equal to 9 centimeters. Draw diagonal AC equal to 9 centimeters. Second last bench, look front. Draw the diagonal AC equal to 9 centimeters. We are drawn. Construct a square ABCD whose diagonal is 9 centimeters. Whose diagonal is 9 centimeters. Yes, stay quiet, look front. Draw a diagonal AC equal to 9 centimeters. Then draw the perpendicular bisector. So look front. Draw arc from C on both sides as well from A. Okay. Now listen again. How much centimeter we have to take the radius? See here. AC is already we have drawn. Now put your compass here. Little bit. This much you must take. At least 2/3 or 3/4 of the line you take. You will get a good arcs there. So it is here 9 centimeters is this. Half of it is 4.5. So at least you may take 6 or 7 centimeters of radius. 6, 7, 8 you can take, no issues. That's your choice. So draw on it and join them. And join them. So other diagonals will be this one. How far? 4.5. So take 4.5 length in your compass. This will be 4.5. Take this length from midpoint. Cut the line on both sides. Both will not be 4.5 or not. Diagonal bisect each other. That means 4.5 here, 4.5 here. Now A, C, A, B, C, D. All the vertices we got, join them. So AC diagonal we have drawn first, then perpendicular bisector we have drawn. We got the midpoint where the diagonal meet, and in square diagonals meet at 90 degrees. So this perpendicular diagonal will be the perpendicular bisector. This will be the diagonal with length of 4.5 centimeters on both sides of the midpoint. Join them. Second last bench, look front. Join them. Cavallia, sit properly.
Will join.
And you will get the square ABCD. After this, we'll be constructing a quadrilateral Revision exercise. Eighth question. Revision exercise. Eighth question. Second last bench. Take your books and go to the set. Move there. Eighth question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 7 centimeter, BC 6 centimeters. Hridansh and Vedant.
Sir, you are muted.
Revision exercise. Eighth question we are doing. So we have to draw a, we have to construct a quadrilateral. Second bench. Why you are taking books? You don't have to share anything in class. Eighth question we have to do. Revision exercise. Eighth question. Construct it now. Revision exercise. Eighth question. We'll be discussing that. I haven't spoken that one. B is as well given. E. That E is not there. So,
Sir, there it is. E.
yes, some mistake is there. We'll see that. A, B, C, D, for example, this is quadrilateral. Be quiet and look here. Quiet now. Be quiet. Be quiet. Yeah, second last bench. Which book it is? Put it down. So here, consider a quadrilateral ABCD. Which angle? AB is given, BC is given, A. Take it angle as B. Instead of a B, E, we can take it as B. 120 degree, 60 degree. C is given how much? 75 degree. AB 7 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Yes, make a correction. Instead of E, make it B, angle B. Make it as angle B. Now start constructing it. So first, draw a line. Draw a line AB. Draw a line AB of 7 centimeters. Draw a line AB of 7 centimeters. Draw a line AB of 7 centimeters. Revision exercise, 8th question. Yes, second last bench. Draw a line AB of 7 centimeters. At A, draw an angle of 65 degree. Draw an angle of 65 degree. 60 degree.
Sir, you are muted.
So first, draw a line of 7 centimeters each. Do it fast. AB equal to 7 centimeters. At vertex A, make an angle of 60 degree. Make an angle of 60 degree. Make an angle of 60 degree. At B, make an angle of. Yes, both of you stand up, Vedant and you. Stand up, take your book. Stand up. Vedant, stand up. Stand, I said. Take your book and be out of the class now. Move immediately.
Sir, John.
Make an angle of 120 degree at B. Make an angle of 120 degree at B. Make an angle of 120 degree at B.
Sir, John.
Make an angle of 120 degree at B. Now, C is how far from B? 6 centimeters. So, take radius of 6 centimeters. Take radius of 6 centimeters and make an arc on this line. You'll get which point? C. Now at C,
D.
we have to make an angle of 75 degree. We have to make an angle of 75 degree. How we can make angle of 75 degree? For example, this is the line. Make an angle of
60. Between 90 and 60.
either 60 plus 15 degree or how much? 150 degrees? Half of 150 degrees? Half of 150. Either you make 60 degree plus 15 degree. That is how you are going to make. Make an arc 60 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree. So this is 60 degree, 15 degree more we require. We can bisect this 30 degree from here, from here. So this will be our 75 degree. Or how we can draw? Make an angle of, this is fine, make it like this, okay? Make an angle of 60 degrees, then 90 degrees. So at C, '60, 120 degrees. Now in this second 60 degree will bisect. So here is the point we got. Draw it with dash dash dash. Now by 30 degree we got 60 plus 30. This 30 degree will bisect again. We will bisect this 30 degree again. We got 15 degrees. So wherever these two lines meet, we'll get D vertex. We get D vertex. Yes, listen again. We have drawn B already on this line. Okay, C was here. Okay, it's okay. C we take it here. Okay, for example, this is 6 centimeters. At this point, we have to draw an angle of 75 degrees. At this point, at this vertex, we have to draw an angle of 75 degrees. So first, draw an angle of 90 degrees we already have to construct. At C, one arc, 60 degrees, 120 degrees. And this is our 90 degree. Now this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree and we require only 15 degrees. We bisect this 30 degree angle. Again, from this point and this point, draw the arcs wherever they meet. From that, draw the line to C. And we get 75 degrees here. This is 90 degree.
Sir, B should be 125 degree.
I am telling you here how to construct 75 degrees. Okay, separately. Get an idea from here. At this point, we have to draw an angle of 75 degrees. So 75 degrees means 60 plus 15 degrees. 60 plus 15 degrees. So first 90 degree. Construct an angle of 90 degree. This is our 90 degree angle. 90 degree angle we have constructed. $90 we have constructed. Now see here. This angle is 60 degree. And this angle is 30 degrees. And we
30
need
degree.
half of 30 degrees. So we will bisect this angle. So from this point and from this point. We will bisect again. So this is our 75 degree. 60 degrees, 30 degrees. This is half of 30 degrees, 15 degrees, 15 degrees. So 60 plus 15, 75 degrees. Clear to everyone? This is how we are going to draw at C. Now, wherever these two lines meet, that will be our D vertex. Vertex D.
Sir,
Yes, be quiet and come. Yes.
sir, can you one time see my quadrilateral?
You can send me on WhatsApp afterwards, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir,
This is clear now.
yes, sir.
Okay, we can end the class now.
Sir, B should be 125 degree. It is not the 60 degree.
Yes, stay quiet, be quiet. Any doubt you can text me. I'll reply there. I won't be able to hear you now.
Thank you, sir.